Hi dear, nandito na tayo. Finally, ilang years din. And as always, nung sinusulat ko to, alam ko na maganda ka.
Oh Lord, write a shield.
Ang naalala ko noon, nagdasal ako na, Lord, pagod na po ako maghanap. And I surrender everything to you. Kung may dumating man o wala, thank you pa rin. Nakilala kita at naging partner teacher sa nursery class. Tapos naalala ko, tuwing magkasama tayo sa classroom, tapos may ginagawa ka. Napapasabi ako ng, Lord, gusto ko ganyan, dumisiplina ng bata, yung magiging asawa ko. O kaya, Lord, galing naman niya. Sana ganyan din yung ugali nung mapapangasawa ko.
As we cross and traverse that long, dark valleys na dadaanan natin, I vow to be always honest and transparent with you. Yung pagkwento ko sa'yo kung ano yung nangyari sa araw, sa classroom, sa students, to telling you I need help. Pagka ako nagsasalita talaga, usually din, pagka malapit sa puso ko, madali ako maiyak. Pero kung may message man ako sa kanya, sabi ko, kung ano yung promise ko sa kanya 5 years ago, eto na yun, magkikita na tayo, tutuparin ko na. Andito na tayo. And alam mo yan, dear, pinili natin lahat, tsaka pinagdasal natin. I'm grateful to stand in front of you today. And as promised, exactly 5 years ago, December 13, 2019. And Friday yun din yun, di ba? By the way, di ba? I know, you know what happened. Pero gusto ko lang ulit balikan natin. Wow. We went out and on tayo na movie. Pero syempre for you, di mo alam, meron akong balak to ask you so I can pursue you, liligawan kita. Na I'm willing to go through the ups and downs and resolve everything ng mga differences natin. Because I have that goal. That when I ask someone to pursue someone, it will be my life partner.
Panahon na umamin ka sa akin at manliligaw, yung saya ko, kakaiba na parang sigurado ko sa'yo, napakiramdam ko ikaw yung sagot sa dalangin ko. Na habang tumatagal yung ligawan at nakikilala kita, parang biglang pinaalala ni Lord yung mga bagay na gusto ko sa isang lalaki.
You make us feel loved. And I will carry it na that kind of marriage that you have shown is what will I carry pagkakasama ko na si Jazz. Thank you po for everything and the blessings that you have given us.
Ayun, hindi naman ako mawawala. Kaya, yun, nadadagdagan lang kayo ng anak. May lalaki na. Ayun.
I vow to always pray for you from sunrise to sundown. I vow to grow in faith together and be a blessing to others. I vow to always say your name twice when I count my blessings. This day, that I will be fulfilling that promise. Looking back, ano talaga, hindi ko ma-realize na aabot ako dito. And nagbibiro ako kasama ko yung mga groomsmen. Dati kausap ko sila yung mga barkada ko. Parang hindi ko alam, magkaka-girlfriend pala ako. Kala ko tatanda ako na single. Ganyan. So looking back, nakakatuwa na hindi pala ako magiging single. Ikakasal pala ako. Tsaka nahanap ko si Jasmine.
What fortune lies beyond the stars, those dazzling hearts too.
I remembered praying to the Lord 3 years ago. Na Lord, mahirap ata magpakasal kasi sing-sing pa lang, mahal na. So kaya ba namin ni Joshua? But within that week, someone messaged me and offered a wedding ring for the two of us. And I cried to the Lord. It's like He is saying na, trust me, I have plans for you.
What treasure waits within your skies? The gift of freedom gold can't buy. I bought the world and sold my heart. We traded heaven to heaven.
So I pray that as we move to our next chapter, may we never forget that the Lord write our beautiful love story right from the start.
Touch the sky when the knees hit the ground. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Find me here at your feet again, everything I am, reaching out, I surrender.
Para sa akin. So all the things that I've prayed for are all laid down in front of me now.
My heart beating, my soul breathing.
So I promise to take care of you and the family that we will build together. I will support you in all of your dreams and plans. I love you always, in all ways. Now, here we are in front of God and everyone. Truly, everything is beautiful in His time. Most of what we have are from the people that God gave to us. So everything is worth the wait.
Mga kapatid at mga kaibigan, buong karangalan kong ipinapakilala sa inyong lahat ang bagong kasal na sina Ginoo at Ginang Eric Joshua del Carmen.